this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Today we're going to cook. We're not going to cook pala. We're going to make skinless longanisa because I'm craving for that. And I look it up in YouTube if how we can make longanisa. So it's my favorite food. I love to eat skinless longanisa. The one with garlic and sugar is better. I like it. So let's make it. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's start. We need 500 grams of ground pork. I don't know what's the ratio, if it's 80-20, 80 lean, giniling. Pork giniling. I don't know if this is 500 grams. Ay, bakit frozen pa to? Anyway. Okay. Frozen pa tong isa. Okay, that's the ground pork. You need 1 whole of garlic, and this one is 1 whole, this one here. So I just peeled it, and we have to put it here, the garlic crusher. If you don't have that, you can just smaller. Use the knife and cut it smaller. You know, it's, yeah, you know. I just put everything na lang muna. Isa-isa muna. And then mamaya ko na lang kutsarahin. Ay, isa-isa lang talaga pwede. Yan.
Yun, may juice din siya. Pati yung juice masasama. Garlic crusher. Ay, masyadong malaki siya. One whole nilagay ko para mabango. Nakasya kaya yan? Yan.
And that's all. You can remove those inside pa. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. One. Ay, tama-tama, ubos na. 2 tablespoons sauce. And 2 tablespoons Worcestershire. That's the recipe I cut. 2 teaspoons salt. It says pink salt. I don't think I will have pink salt. So this is the teaspoon. This is the teaspoon. 2 teaspoon. Isa lang na lang. I don't want so salty eh. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoon ground pepper. Ay, sobrang laki yata itong black pepper ko. Sandali. I will look for the other. 1 teaspoon. 1 more teaspoon of black pepper. Siguro pwede na yan. And 10 tablespoon of cocoa sugar. Tablespoon. Where's my sugar? I have brown sugar na lang. Siguro mga 7 lang. 7 tablespoon. Yes, same 7. One teaspoon of Spanish paprika. Yes, I have Spanish paprika here. 1 teaspoon. This one is the teaspoon. O madami na lang. Baka maanghang. Ayan. We will put olive, my Atsuete seed, I put it in olive oil. So I think I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the Atsuete seed sip in the olive oil. 2 tablespoons. Kasi kapag hindi mataba yung ginamit na pork, you can use put para hindi sobrang dry. Yan. And then let's put 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Yan. Sarap na siguro yan. And I want to put some garlic powder. Madami na din. And a little bit of onion powder. I think that's enough now. And we're going to stir it.
Sige, haluin na natin. Pero matigas pa siya. Matigas pa ang aking other half of the pork. ang kulay. Looks like, longganisa.
Ayaw ko nang gamitin yung plastic, so I use the wax paper. It's easier to put than the one in plastic because my funnel is too small. So, mas madali dito. Ito na lang.
We're now going to cook our longanisa, and I put some water to bring to a boil, and then after it boils, I'm going to put my longanisa in.
My water is now boiling, and these are my longganisa. Parang hindi kakasa sa aking maliit na. One more. Have to put one more inside. Yan. Ay, baka magdikit sila, no?
Can you turn them over? Balik pa rin. Ay! Malambot. Ay! 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 Hindi mo na.
So, the water dried up na. So, pwede na natin ikut-ikutin. Ibaliktad na. Turn it over. I don't know why this one, ano kaya yung kulang na nilagay ko at na durog siya. So, siguro dapat, ilagay muna natin ang longganisa and then lagyan ng water. Huwag unahin ang water. So, first time ko kasi gumawa ng longganisa. Usually, fina-fry ko ata ang longganisa. Hindi ko nilalagyan ng tubig. Okay. And dahil medyo dry ang meat ko, lagyan natin ng konting olive oil para hindi dumikit. After nyan, konting olive oil, pwede nang alisin. Ayan. medyo luto na. Naamoy ko na ang ang garlic. Looks delicious. Hindi pala looks delicious. Smells delicious. Okay, ready na siyang i-plate. So, this is the finished product. Masarap naman daw siya, sabi ng family ko. Medyo sobrang tamis lang. I hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!